Buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Sanghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. May all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, Devas and Nagas, saints and sages from all the directions of the universe may kindly look at our world and shower their blessings all over this world. Dear friends, warmest greetings from the high mountains of Ladakh in the high Himalayas. Tomorrow, the 21st day of December, has been declared as a meditation day by the United Nations. This is really a good news for the humanity, particularly for all the seekers of truth and lover of peace. Many people have been trying to have one day at least dedicated to meditation. Finally, through the efforts of so many individuals, organizations and countries, that the United Nations have declared the 21st of December as a World Meditation Day. And for this, I would like to express my profound appreciation to all individuals, organizations and countries, particularly Honorable Prime Ministers of our great country, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and Bharat, our countries, for their pursuance and support to get this day recognized as a World Meditation Day. Without meditation, without yoga, without spirituality, our world, our human society will be very gloomy. I always believe it is the spiritual teachings, the meditation and yoga, which brings beauty, color, fragrance to human life. It is so wonderful. I hope now tomorrow millions of people from all over the world will be joining the meditation dedicated to our own individual mental health, mental peace, physical health, spiritual health, and the health and peace in the society, in the nation, in the continents, and the world.